I feel like after having several of these machines, different ones from different manufacturers, I feel qualified to do a video about it. Now it does look nice, it's presented well, the packaging is very nice, the manual's very good, and it actually does come with a 2-year warranty. Surprisingly, it has a full metal finish, touchscreen display, it's got a standby mode, it's got an adjustable grinder, and actually a very good steamer. It has all the features of an expensive Sage machine. However, the short story is I wouldn't recommend it if you want a decent coffee. It's just not able to do it. You may be able to modify it, but I'll go into details. We'll start with the biggest problem with this machine is that it just does not grind enough. I will be showing pictures of the different grinds out of this machine, or at least will show how fine it will go compared to a hand grinder. My hand grinder, which was a £100 hand grinder, it does a much better job. This just will not give you espresso level coffee. It's far too rough of a grind. The next problem is the pressure for the espresso is just way too high. Yeah, and it's just coming out too fast, right? The ideal espresso should be about 18 seconds. Set this on the finest setting. This is just to compare. Okay, that's set on the finest setting, okay? This isn't the finest setting, but it's almost where I want it. Now compare that to that. When you're trying to get this out, so this design here, as you can see, the whole unit moves, and this is because it's quite lightweight. Also, the problem is if you try and stabilize it with one hand, you risk touching this, and throughout my usage I was pressing the buttons here while trying to get this out, which was a royal pain. It will stop automatically, or you can just press it to stop it. Here is a dosing ring. I didn't use it. I don't really like it. It does prevent the coffee from spilling out, but it tends to come off. You do get a taper with it. I'm not sure if you can see from here, but that's just not fine enough. That's on the finest setting, and it's likely just to come out like water. Now I'm going to show the steamer. The steamer actually does work very well with this. You simply click it. Again, it'll flash to heat up. It goes solid when it's ready. And then you purge. So it's solid now. And then this is, I believe, what they call a immersion heater. It's not a pump heater. And actually, I've done some of the best steaming with this machine. So if you wanted it as a steamer, and you don't mind weak coffee, then perhaps you might want to keep it. But for me, I won't be keeping this machine personally. It's just simply because it doesn't grind fine enough. The portafilter, I will go onto that next. I'm going to stop here. But yeah, that's a very good steamed milk. Now, the portafilter is another bugbear with this product. It's extremely lightweight compared to a DeLonghi portafilter that I've had in the past. And also, the basket within the portafilter is squared. I will upload some pictures, but that means this is very difficult to remove the coffee from after you've done. Here is a DeLonghi one, and it is fluted or tapered, which means that when you empty it, it comes out easier. This one, no, it's a square basket. This is a bit of an oversight. It just means that it's very messy to empty once you're finished with it. And do it. This is a bit warm. However, take my word for it, this isn't easy to get up. It's warm now, so it will come out, but it won't come out solid. So this is a screen, and already, as you can see, it's stupidly difficult. And I have to go inside the sink. And this time it has, yeah. So to wrap it up, it's not particularly great, and you do get what you pay for. There is a lot of machine here for the money, but it doesn't deliver, is the bottom line here, unfortunately. And that's all. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching.